The Waters of Edina is a senior living community, and our philosophy is to have a community in which our residents thrive. We have a theater here at the Waters of Edina. It has 15 seats. We do show movies every night after dinner and matinees on weekends. We had a flat panel TV screen mounted on the wall in our theater, and it was suggested to us that we look into getting a projector and a larger screen. So we did upgrade to an Epson projector and a much larger screen, and it has just made that experience of watching the movie in the evenings come alive for our residents, and the sound quality is better. Everything about it has been enhanced. Additionally, we have found that having that larger screen is beneficial for residents who might have vision impairment. There's a state requirement that we have to have closed captioning up on the screen. And so having that larger screen, automatically you can see the words much more easily when you're watching the movies.